Our history is more than a record of what happened. It's the heartbeat of who we are. You can feel it on the rolling bluegrass hills, in the winding paths of our rivers, and in the vibrant pulse of our cities. But to truly understand Kentucky is to know the people and places that shaped its story along Kentucky's African American Heritage Trail. With immense variety and breathtaking scope, our African American Heritage Trail is an invitation to see the Commonwealth through the eyes of the pioneers, artists, and heroes who moved our state and our nation forward. It's a remarkable journey of discovery, from Paducah to the Appalachian peaks, with more than 60 unique sites that inspire any visitor and group intent on sharing truly authentic experiences. From national monuments to historic neighborhoods, landmarks to cultural centers, groundbreaking schools to interpretive museums, visitors are immersed in the full spectrum of history. Listen, and you'll hear the resounding applause at the Lyric Theater, a longtime cultural center of the Black community where art and soul take center stage. Visitors and groups are drawn into the quiet dignity at African Cemetery No. 2, where the ancestors of Kentucky's world-famous horse racing industry forever rest. Men whose contributions are celebrated at the International Museum of the Horse.
The sport of thoroughbred racing was one of America's first pastimes. And so the African American men that you see in this exhibit are the groundbreakers. They're the ones who were training the horses, who were riding the horses. They were really America's first sports figures. They're the ones who were famous. They're the ones who were being cheered for.
The African American Heritage Trail takes travelers places they never expected. Deep within the earth, visitors will uncover the stories of African American guides who mapped the vast, fascinating chambers of Mammoth Cave, turning shadows into wonder. And at world-class museums, such as the Louisville Slugger Museum, where guests can learn about African American stars whose athleticism changed professional sports forever. And at the Muhammad Ali Center, guests stand in awe of a global icon who continues to lift the hopes and dreams of new generations.
We really want people to come to the Ali Center to learn not just about Muhammad, but to learn about themselves. Muhammad's legacy means many things to many people. People felt inspired. They felt hope. They felt like there was going to be a change for the good.
All across the bluegrass, the trail is more than a tour through the past. It's a triumph of the American spirit. At Camp Nelson National Monument, visitors walk in the footsteps of the formerly enslaved people who transformed a supply depot into a beacon of hope and a fortress of freedom. At Mays Lick Negro School, hear the echoes of children yearning for an education as a means to improve their opportunities in life. And visitors can explore the legendary Hotel Metropolitan, which stands as an ever-present reminder of the Green Book era, a sanctuary of hospitality and grace that hosted the legends of jazz and the pioneers of progress.
Paducah was a popular place for a lot of African American performers because we were on the Chitlin Circuit. And the Chitlin Circuit was a route of travel for folks of color, whether they be musicians or athletes or whatever. They would travel the Chitlin Circuit because it was a safe route for people of color. This was during the Jim Crow era.
The Kentucky African American Heritage Trail is a celebration of us. It's a unique chance for families to connect over profound discoveries, for friends to be emboldened by unsung trailblazers, and for groups to witness the enduring power of perseverance. It's a monument to cultural influences and innovations that have enriched every facet of American society, from music to faith, from education to business, from science to sports. Kentucky's African American Heritage Trail is a transformative experience for your visitors. This grand and captivating journey doesn't just show history. The trail sweeps up travelers and invites them to inhabit it. Additionally, many of the attractions across the trail welcome groups with special guided tours and hosting amenities. Where every monument is a kind of classroom, where every artifact is an integral piece of a boundless mosaic, make the trail the centerpiece of your travelers' next itineraries. Give them timeless stories of the places where history changed the world, where hope endures, and where spirits soar. Embark on a fascinating journey of discovery in our new Kentucky home. Plan your exploration of Kentucky's African American Heritage Trail at kentuckytourism.com/AAHT.